In this video, I will explain a solving strategy that can be used for drawing the products of SN1 reactions of allylic halides or allylic alcohols. So if we have a compound that has a double bond and next to the double bond at the allylic position we have an alkyl halide, then this will be considered as an allylic alkyl halide. If this allylic halide reacts with a neutral nucleophile, then it's going to give two products. The product number one is obtained by just replacing X with the nucleophile. And of course, you have to remove one hydrogen from the nucleophile. The second product could be obtained by moving the double bond to a new position and drawing the nucleophile here. Now you can draw these two products by just numbering your allylic carbon to be number 1, and then your double bonded carbons should be 2 and 3. In the first product, just put the nucleophile at position 1. So replace X by the nucleophile. In the second product, move your double bond so that it becomes between 1 and 2, and then the nucleophile will add to position 3. For example, let's say, for example, we were given this allylic chloride and it was reacted with H2O. So to draw the first product, I will just draw the allylic system as it is, but instead of chlorine, I will add the nucleophile H2O, remove one H from H2O, and you will be left with OH, and OH will be here at position 1. So this is position 1, this is 2, this is 3. To draw the second product, redraw the structure, but now move your double bond so that it becomes between carbons number 1 and 2, and now at carbon number 3, add the OH group. And this is the product. Let's take another example. Let's say we were given this allylic bromide and the reaction was with ethanol. Again, this is position 1, this is 2, this is 3. So to draw the first product, just replace the Br by the nucleophile after removing the H. And this is position 1. Now to draw the second product, I will move the double bond to be between positions 1 and 2, and then the nucleophile will be added to position 3. So this is how we draw the products of SN1 reactions of allylic halides with nucleophiles. Now, what is the major product? The major product follows the rule, which is tertiary, secondary, primary. So in this case, this is secondary alcohol, this is tertiary alcohol, this will be the major one. This is again secondary, this is tertiary, so this should be the major product. Now the same solving strategy can be used for reactions of allylic alcohols with HX, which also follow SN1 mechanism. So we will follow the same strategy, so we will number the carbon, the allylic carbon, as carbon number 1, then those two will be 2 and 3, and then the first product will be obtained by just replacing OH by X, so no change in the carbon skeletal. And in the second one, my double bond will move to be between position 1 and 2, and then X will be at position 3. Now always remember to get rid of this bond when you are drawing this product, because this is one of the most common mistakes that students do. For example, let's say we were given this alcohol, allylic alcohol, and the reaction was HBr. Then to draw the product, first one is the easy one. Just replace OH by Br and don't do any other change. The second one needs numbering, so this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. So my double bond should move to be between 1 and 2, and then Br will be at position 3. And this is how we draw the product. Again, the major product will be follow the same rule, which is tertiary, secondary, primary. So that's why this is secondary, this is tertiary, so this should be the major product. We can take one more example. For example, here, let's say we were given this system, OH plus HCl. Again, this is the first product, just replace OH by Cl. Second product, make sure to number this as number 1, because this is the allylic carbon with the OH on it, and this is 2, this is 3. Now I will just redraw the structure. So my double bond will be between 1 and 2, so this is 1 and 2. My double bond moves to this new position, and then my Cl will go to carbon number 3, and this is how we draw the product. Now in this case, it is hard to tell which one is the major product, because this is actually secondary and this is secondary, so we cannot really tell which one will be the major product. So this is a solving strategy which you can use for drawing the products of SN1 reactions of allylic halides with the neutral nucleophiles, or allylic alcohols with halo acids such as HCl, HBr, or HI.